Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete WhatsApp group. Now let's begin. Do note that I already have installed WhatsApp in my mobile device, and in case you have not, do install it and log into your account right now. Now in this tutorial, we're mainly gonna focus on how to delete WhatsApp group. Now right here is a group that I had previously created. I'm simply gonna click on it. Now this is the group. Now what I want to do is simply click on the top right corner, that's these three dots. I'm gonna click on it and something like this will open up. Well, there are lots of options like group info and everything. Simply hit on the first option that says group info. Once you're in the info page, simply scroll down and remove all the participants of the group. I'm simply gonna remove this person right here, give my confirmation, and once everything's okay, you exit the group as well. It's gonna ask you for a confirmation, simply click on exit. Now finally, it's gonna provide you with an option like this. Simply hit on this option that says delete group. Give your confirmation, and there you go. That's how you delete a group in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.